Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's doing well. Today is July the 29th, 2024. And today I wanted to come and talk about custom orders, commission orders that you take and you knit for someone else. Um, 2024. I've been knitting commission custom orders, I don't know, since I was in junior high school. I remember, yeah, people were asking because I was a fast knitter, and they would look at my work, and people who didn't know how to knit, like they were like my grandmother's age, they would ask me to knit some stuff for them. Of course, I wouldn't take a full price, just a reasonable price. Even I was a student. Anyways, so I've been knitting custom work, I don't know, all my life. I'm 55 years old. So I just wanted to talk about this. Nowadays, I don't do anything for free. I used to. I still give gifts. I do donations. But custom work is totally different. They send you a picture and they ask you if you can knit them. And I would say, yeah, but the price is going to be way higher because I need to create the design, the pattern, the stitches, the yarn that they want me to work with. And it's time consuming. They want it in a short period of time. They don't want to wait a month or so. And I would highly recommend for you to get the full price. Let's say I'm charging 200 US dollars. Anything I get custom orders, that's what I'm charging. I'm sorry, that's what it is. There's fees. If it's private, then that's a different story. They send it through PayPal. And I learned the hard way. I've been paying fees. And noticed I got scammed. Yes, I did. I was buying yarn. And so I send the money. They asked me to send it through friends and family through PayPal, and there's no fees for them to pay. I have to pay it. The buyer pays it. I never knew that. I would send them invoices, and what happened was I would pay $50 PayPal fee on top of what a $200 I am charging. So because of the scam, PayPal of course refunded me, but I have to be, that was a special thing because I have never been scammed before. So I have to be very careful with this. Yeah. So no for unknown places to buy yarn with. Anyways, so that's what I'm asking people to send it through friends or family because they don't want to send it through my bank account. That's a different story. You send your IBAN number. I have one customer who does that, and that person is a repeat customer for so many years now, and the customer has purchased from me several times. And so what I'm getting is lately, what I'm getting coming into is I take the full payment and the shipping fee. I knit or crochet, whichever I'm working on, day and night to finish it. And when I finish it at night, if it's 3 a.m., 4 a.m., I'm not going to message you and wait for you to reply 3 days later for the payment. So what I do is I ship it. To create the shipping label. And first thing in the morning, when I go to sleep and when I wake up, I take it to the post office and boom, it's gone. So I don't want to wait because of custom orders. That's what people do. They don't reply to you. I have notifications when I receive a message. I get notification that there's a message. I don't know why they're not replying. Anyways, I'm not going to go into this. So I would highly recommend you to get a full payment before you start anything because it's a hassle. Another thing, what I did is I shouldn't have done. I trusted a customer. It's been 3-4 weeks now. She hasn't paid me. Well, I haven't started, but I went and bought the yarn. I paid out of my pocket. I thought the customer would buy it, pay me, but never did. It's been 4 weeks, and I'm getting other requests, and they're just they're ghosting me, so I'm not hearing back from them. I don't know what's up with that either. Like when you're dealing with a designer knitter, you have to pay them so they can do what you would like to be done, right? And but there are lots of people who don't care about us, and that's another thing. That's the only reason I take custom orders, if I get payment in full. And you're gonna ask me, why are you doing it then? I'm a fast knitter. What am I gonna do with all these knit items? That's the reason I've been doing custom orders, because I'm a fast knitter, and the more I knit or crochet, oh, it relaxes me. So this is the reason I do custom orders, and I really enjoy it. Especially if they send me a picture, if I see a picture of them wearing it, oh my, it's a feeling that no one can explain to you. So I just wanted to talk about this. It's very, very hot outside, and I had to go do some errand, and I got tired. And yesterday I've been spinning yarn. If you look at my videos, I've been posting on Gore Rabbit roving, spinning yarn, two-plying yarn. So I've been working on that, and I'm doing it outside due to the mess. Even I saw a hair fly. It's on Gore Rabbit hair. It's very hot today, so I wanted to stay indoors. I don't want to go out. It's even when I went to get some stuff outside, it was hot, hot. Thank God the shopping centers, wherever I had to go, where they have air conditioning, or else we can't survive this heat. I know health people. People say who works in the health environment, they say stay outside, enjoy the hot weather, but I can't. I just can't. It's good. It's what do they say? When you sweat, you get toxic out. Well, of course we sweat when we get toxic out, but that's another story. Anyway, so I just wanted to talk about that. Custom orders, please get a full payment. Don't even get a half. I had so many people here in Edmonton. I used to do craft markets in the 1990s, 2000. Yeah, what would they do is they would bring the yarn, not even pay me, and then I would knit them. Well, we didn't have cell phones or any communication, so we would call their landline, of course. No answer, nothing. So this happened like, I don't know, 5, 6, 10, it built up. Some would bring half of the price. I would ask them at least if they can pay me half. If it's a big item, like a huge cardigan for, I don't know, 5 extra large men. And they would ghost me, so I would never hear from them. And what am I going to do? So I opened my Etsy shop in 2009, and I start selling them. What am I going to do with them, right? That's the thing. And I can't keep everything, what I knit. I'm a fast knitter, crocheter, so this is the reason I make. And I enjoy it. So if you want to do a custom order for someone, take the full payment. Who cares? Whatever they think. You deserve it. You need to take the full payment so you can finish it and mail it to you. Don't take your time, of course, if you take the full payment. Don't knit it or crochet for a year or 6 months. Finish it in a week. Yeah, try if you can. If you can't, then don't take it. But if you're into it, definitely, it's not worth it. People ghost you, even if they paid you half. I had so many, so I'm never doing that. So I just wanted to talk about that and say hello. And if you missed my live stream, it's out there, 27th of July that I did the live stream. So you guys take care. And I am knitting this beautiful top. So stay tuned as soon as I finish it. I'm almost done. And I will do the ta-da video. So you guys take care. Happy knitting, happy crocheting. Bye-bye. Oh my goodness, I lost need to grab that strand here. Grab the crochet hook.